Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. It's quite straightforward, so let's get started. And I've got TikTok open right now. And the very first step you should take is to go to your profile page. Then click Settings and Privacy from the three lines over here. Then select the privacy option so you can make an account fully private here. And if you're under the age of 16, your account is also completely private. If you're under the age of 16, you can adjust it if you accidentally set your age under 16. I have a different video that explains how to change your age by contacting TikTok and proving your age and these other two options. I like to leave it turned off so it says suggest your account to others. So you don't really want to suggest your TikTok account to your contacts or Facebook friends. If you like to suggest your account to others, you can toggle it on. As you can see, mine is turned off, and these other options are actually happening within TikTok. So you could turn them on or leave them off like mine. And there is another option right here. It says Sync Contacts and Facebook Friends, which I switched off because I really do not want them to access the contacts on my mobile. And I also don't want my Facebook friends to find out about my TikTok account, so I have them turned off. If you like to, you can do the same. And there's personalization, and you can receive a copy of your TikTok data from this page. If I back out of this, there are a handful of options under Safety. Let's have a look at them now. You can disable comments and add comment filters. Right here, there is a setting that says Following List. You can set it to only me to keep your account private, or everyone can see who you're following. In this case, this is quite important, and I left everything else to everyone except liked videos. And I definitely need it to be only me. I don't want others to be able to check out the videos I like on TikTok. And these are all of the key privacy settings that I believe you must tweak on TikTok to keep your account extra private and secure. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.